Come back. Today we'll see how to create a drop-down with colors. Here we have a four status, that is completed, not completed, in progress, and not started. And we have a list of names. Let's see how to do. Select the cell, click on data button, click on data validation, and select the list from the drop-down, and select the source, and select the range. Click on OK. Now here we can see the drop-down has created. Now I need to assign the colors for the respective status. Let's see how to do. Select the cell, click on Home button, click on Conditional Formatting, highlight cells rules, and equals to. Now, just type completed and select the custom format. Select green color, click on OK, OK. Now repeat the 4 times of not completed, in progress, and not started. Conditional formatting equals to not completed, click on red, OK, OK. Now again, conditional formatting equals to in progress, click on custom format, click on blue, OK. Now again, home, conditional formatting equals to not started, select custom format, select yellow color, OK, OK. Now the colors are assigned to the respective status on the created dropdown. Let's see. If I select completed, it will get a blue color, green color, sorry. And if I select not completed, we'll get it as not completed, in progress blue color, and not started yellow color. Here we can see how we created as a drop down with colors. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.